The phrase, "if you want to get rich, do not work," can be interpreted in various ways, and it's essential to understand the context in which it's used. Here are some common interpretations. Passive income. One interpretation suggests that instead of trading time for money in traditional employment, individuals should seek ways to earn passive income. Passive income means money that comes in regularly without continuous active effort, such as royalties from a book, income from real estate investments, or dividends from stocks. Work smart, not hard. This phrase can also imply that working smarter, not harder, is the key to wealth. Instead of doing manual labor, one might focus on tasks with higher financial returns or delegate tasks to others. Investing. Building wealth often involves strategic investing. Money can work for you in the form of investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses. Over time, these investments can grow and generate returns, leading to wealth accumulation without traditional employment. Entrepreneurship. Instead of working for someone else, building a successful business can lead to substantial wealth. Entrepreneurs might work incredibly hard initially, but the idea is that their business becomes self-sustaining or can be sold for a significant profit. Critique of the work ethic. Some interpret this phrase as a critique of the modern work ethic. They argue that the conventional 9-to-5 job might not be the best route to significant wealth, and alternative approaches, like those mentioned above, can be more effective. It's important to note that while passive income, smart work, investing, and entrepreneurship offer potential routes to wealth, they are not guaranteed and often involve risks. It's essential to do thorough research, possibly consult with financial professionals, and approach wealth-building strategies with a clear understanding of potential outcomes.